Hi, welcome to the Discovery Room at Seacrest School. This is like an overview of a classroom-sized room that is set up as a science museum. Right here at the front we have 3 stations with dinoscopes, or dino lights as they're called. This one's set up to look at kind of little electronic components, which doesn't quite seem to work there, but there it is. And the kids use this. They really have a good time with that. As we go around the room, another dino light station, and then we have electrical generation and energy transfer, little display that we made, which includes a bike, an exercise cycle connected to a generator that makes electricity when they pedal on it, and that's kind of fun. We also have a little section on wind and electrical generation that they can work on their own, and some ideas around the world of where there are hydroelectric power sources. One of the fun things the kids really like is a high striker that we built that they can pound on and hit the bell up there, and that's a little demonstration of leverage and various like physical things. And over here's a table of gears and pulleys where they can actually work and make stuff. And then in the corner we have leverage in action with a little sand digger that they can move sand around, and the kids seem to like to do that a lot. Consequently, there's sand all over the place. We have a density corner where there's some various experiments that they can do with density. All-time favorite is Newton's cradle. We have a big version with bowling balls that some high school kids built, and we talk about how energy and momentum get transferred through there. This is the engine and motor corner, where we have a working model of a internal combustion engine and also a lawnmower engine that we took apart, and so they can kind of crank it and look inside and see what happens, as well as a full-sized engine that isn't taken apart, and some electric motors over here that they can turn on and run on their own. This is a section on rotating objects here, which is just kind of fun for them to learn about rotation and how things spin. And they can put a ball in a bowl and kind of roll that around as well. And then a little stool here that they can rotate, sit on and rotate around, and a table of simple machines. And they just seem to have the greatest time here, pumping water, crushing bottles with levers, using screw tools and gear tools, including this cool little centrifuge here. So that's just a very quick tour of the Seacrest Discovery Room, and we try to set this up about every 2 months with a different set of displays and a different set of questions.